How to turn on flash notifications on your iPhone? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot, and with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So it's a quick and easy setting on how you can turn on your flashlight. When alerts pop in or a call comes in, your flashlight will start blinking and notify you through a nice visual aid. You can turn this on by going into the settings, and once you're in settings, you can scroll down and search for accessibility. Once you click on accessibility, you can go ahead and scroll down. You can see there is this whole hearing section, and once you're here, you can click on audio/visual. And once you click on audio/visual, you can scroll down, and at the end you can see this option called LED flash for alerts. Once you click on check the option for LED flash for alerts, you can see another additional setting has appeared, which is flash on silent, which means the LED light will keep blinking even if you silent your calls by clicking on the volume button. So that's pretty much it, and once you do that, any notification that will now come there will always be a flashlight indicating you that you have a notification or a call. And I hope this helps you, and if it did, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. I hope I see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.